Let me show you where the inner fender hole is located and what we are going to cover. The hole is located behind both wheels. So this is the right side. And if I put my camera right here, exactly in the middle, you can see the inner fender hole. All right, this will do. And now it's time to put it on. This is probably the most important video for your Ford Mustang S650. In this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your vehicle from stones, sand, dirt, mud, and all kinds of moisture getting trapped in your vehicle without for you the possibility to get it out. During time, stones and sand will get trapped, and at the end, your car will rust very quickly. So the package here in front of me will protect all of this for just $100, and let me show you what it contains. So it has an adhesive from DIYvan plastic bonder. Here it is. 2 foam blocks. I'll show you and explain to you later what to do with those. And the 2 covers. So this is a inner fender hole cover. It will cover the hole that's located behind your front wheels. This cover will protect your vehicle from all kinds of objects to get trapped in that inner fender hole. Right, let me show you where the inner fender hole is located and what we are going to cover. The hole is located behind both wheels. So this is the right side. And if I put my camera right here, exactly in the middle, you can see the inner fender hole. My phone is a little bit too big to press it through this tight area. But let me change the camera angle and show you how the inner fender hole looks like from underneath the vehicle. Alright, so this whole gap, what you see over here, this is the inner fender hole. It's quite big. I can put almost my whole hand inside of it. And this is exactly behind the front wheels, and this is a problem because when you're driving, the wheels will shoot rocks, sand, mud, and everything inside this hole, and we are going to cover it like this. I didn't put the JB weld on the cover yet. First, what you need to do is do a dry run. Just test it out, feel how it is. So the best thing to do is lower this plastic part a little bit, and voila, it's covered like this. Alright, this is the cover, the JB weld. Let's unpack it. Comes with a mixing stick. Let's see. Turn it. All right, here we go. So first, it has a black and a white adhesive. When they come together, you have 15 minutes time to attach it to the cover. So let's do it. I'll do like 50-50. Let's see how much we need. This will do for now. Now we have to mix it. 15 minutes, guys. 15 minutes. This is a little bit too much, I think. That's better than too less. Just make sure not to put too much of the adhesive on your car cover, otherwise it can get very messy. Alright, it already starts feeling heavy. That is quick. So as I said, you don't have to use it over here because there is nothing behind it to get attached. So let's keep this one clear for our thumb to put it on the car. Let's do it. All right, this will do. And now it's time to put it on. And it's on. So now, below, grab the first, what's it called? Foam block. And squeeze it in between. Squeezy, squeezy. And if you want, you still can put some adhesive in between and then put the foam block. I think that's what I'm gonna do because I have a little bit more. Watch out for your car paint. And now put the second foam block on. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I'll keep it overnight like this, and tomorrow we'll do the other side.